Need to lose weight in just 1 week? Here's what you need to know. First, focus on cutting out processed foods and sugary drinks. Choose whole, nutrient-dense foods instead. Next, increase your water intake to flush out toxins and reduce cravings. Incorporate high-intensity interval exercise to burn more calories and boost your metabolism. Lastly, get plenty of rest to support your weight loss efforts. Remember, healthy weight loss is a gradual process, so be patient and stick to healthy habits even beyond 1 week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips.